Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Wi-Fi is not working on your Windows. So if that's the case, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to check if the WLAN autoconfig service has stopped running, because in that case, you'll really face the issue. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Now you'll find services under the best match. Just go ahead and click on that. Here you have to simply scroll down to the W section and look for the WLAN autoconfig service, this one. Make a right click, select properties, startup type, make sure that is automatic, service status. If this is or if this has stopped running, you have to click on start, click on apply, click on OK, and you also have to click on the restart button on the left pane. Now once done, close this window, and we also need to make sure that our network driver, our adapter is updated. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the network adapters, locate your connection, make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and also close this window. Then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method is we can run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. In here, simply type these commands: natsh space winsock space reset. And the last command, natsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. It's natsh space int space ip space reset log.txt. Hit enter and type exit. Now here's a note: restart the computer to complete this action. Hit enter, then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign it, and restart your Windows, and that problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.